Signing up for and using rewards in Chick-fil-A is extremely easy to do. First thing you need to do is you actually need to go to the App Store and get the rewards app like so. You type in Chick-fil-A and you simply need to get the app. Now, once you have the app, you simply can open it like so. And from here, you simply want to create an account if you already do not have one. For me, I'm just going to go to the For You and actually sign in since I have an account. But if you don't have one, you just want to click on Create and log in with Google or your email. And once you've actually created your account, you can actually see if we go to the bottom left-hand corner of the menu, it says menu on the bottom left. You can see it shows you the closest Chick-fil-A for pickup and delivery. And how you can actually redeem points is you click on the QR code in the middle bottom of the screen. And as you can see, you want to scan this at the drive-thru or at checkout if you're at the Chick-fil-A. You'll get 10 points for every $1 spent. So all you want to do is you click on rewards in the bottom left of the screen. And you can see if we go to my rewards, you can actually see all of the rewards you can actually redeem. Now these are exclusive offers. But if you want to spend your points, all you do is you go to redeem. And as you can see, we click on the item right here that you actually want to redeem. And you click on redeem this reward in the bottom of the screen. It'll show you all of the ones that you're eligible for. These ones I cannot click on them. But you can see I have 500 points. So you can basically spend them on whatever you want and just redeem them at the Chick-fil-A location or use them at checkout on this app.